Welcome to week 38 of Where Am I Investing? Over the past 37 weeks, I have invested in four mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, and Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. Here is how they are performing. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is down 2% with a CAGR of negative 3%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 3% with a CAGR of 6%. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 10% with a CAGR of 28%. And Parag Flexi Cap Fund is up 10% with a CAGR of 26%. My overall portfolio is currently up 2% with a CAGR of 3%. And give you a benchmark, Sensex itself is down 2% with a CAGR of negative 2% since I started this journey on October 14th, 2024. So slow and steady strategy is actually working out. Now coming to this week's investment, I invested again in Bandhan Small Cap Fund and kept the investment amount the same as week 1. That means if I invested 1000 rupees in week 1, I have added 1000 rupees again this week. And why Bandhan Small Cap Fund again? That's because even though small cap funds are volatile in the short term, they often outperform over the long term. Bandhan Small Cap Fund has shown resilience in the last few months, and I want to average in at lower valuations. If you have been following this journey, or if you have just found it, hit that like button so YouTube shows it to more people. Drop a comment: which fund should I consider next? Share this with someone who's just starting their investment journey. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss week 39. That wraps up week 38 of Where Am I Investing? I hope to see you again next week. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. This series documents my personal investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research or consult a certified advisor before investing.